Cameras are pretty cool, but dealing with the data after you've shot your photo or video can be a pretty annoying task. You've probably heard of SD cards. They're the tiny pieces of plastic and metal that hold all the photo and video information and data on them. And they're very small and easy to lose. And if you work with cameras, you'll know that no photographer has just one of them. For me personally, I have about 5 or 6 different cards, varying in storage and size and shape between full size and micro SD, not to mention adapters. So I needed a way to keep them all centrally in a place where I wouldn't lose them. With a capacity of 4 full-sized and 4 micro cards, this little mobile SD card carrier includes a keychain link. Here I'm using it for a Bluetooth tracker, but you can put it on a lanyard or something of the sort, as well as my logo in the lid, and a compact and screw-based design. However, when it comes time to actually edit those photos and videos, it's also a good idea to have a form of storage near your computer for both the SD cards and other forms of media you might have laying around. For someone like me, who deals with a lot of different types of electronic devices, which all use their own plug, it's also a good idea to print some form of universal hook so you can store them all vertically in an organized fashion. 3D printing doesn't have to be a daunting hobby filled with endless money pits and miniature figurines for 40K. It can be as simple as creating blocky models through a children's modeling program and using it for various simple household tasks. If you're interested in the models I showed today, leave a comment and I'll consider making them public.